Hi. Yes, allow the access to the camera. Okay, so hey everybody. We did our activity, the fishing game activity in the atrium today, and you have your exit ticket that you took with you. I'm looking around for an example one, but I don't have one on my desk. Your exit ticket that you took today that has the rounds and then how many fish you caught and what you earned per day. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to use Google spreadsheets to create a triple line graph. So I have some data already input in the spreadsheet as an example. I just want to talk you through it really quickly. So when you open a new Google spreadsheet or Google Sheets, you can rename it fishing game at the top. Okay, so now I need for you to notice in column A. Column A is going to represent your x-axis on your graph, a triple line graph. So because you did fishing over 10-day spans of time, your column A is going to represent each day, 1 through 10. So you're going to fill in column A, 1 through 10, but note that I have left A1, this first cell is blank. It needs to remain blank. So column A has your number of days, and I'll show you how to label that axis in just a little bit, but make sure that cell A1 is left blank. Okay, then B, C, and D, okay? B is going to represent your y-axis, okay? So that's going to be in terms of number of fish caught, and then anything from B beyond. So B, C, and D will be each of your 3-line graphs represented on the chart. So B1, the cell should say round 1. C1, round 2. D1, round 3. Then you're going to take your exit ticket and look at your numbers of fish caught per day. So we're catching either, not fish caught, but how much money we earned. Okay, so not fish caught, but money earned. So on day 1, round 1, $2. Day 2, round 1, $4, blah, 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 all the way down. So just use your data table, because in this column, you're going to want to put down how much money you earned per day. Note that none of these numbers should be over 6, because the highest number of fish you could catch per day was 3. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. So none of these numbers should equal more than 6 at any point. Your numbers are either going to be 0, 2, 4, or 6. That's it. You're not going to put a cumulative score here, or a cumulative number. In other words, you're not going to add your days together. All right, so same thing for round 2. Look at your number of dollars made, how much money you made per day, round 2 each day. Round 3, enter your data. Okay, so here's your data. You've got it all done. So the next thing that you're going to do after you've entered your data is you're going to highlight all of your data. Okay, so you're just going to click and drag and highlight everything from column A over to column D. Okay, then after you have it highlighted, go over to the toolbar where it says Insert Chart, and I have to hurry up because I have to be somewhere quickly. Insert Chart. I may have to come back to you for the rest of this in just a minute because I have to go to Fine Arts. So y'all hang on, I'm coming. All right, so now we're going to go to this tab where we can select the type of chart we want. Again, I'm under the Data tab. I pull down where it says Column Chart. All right, then I'm going to go down and select Line. Now you notice that everything now, days 1 through 10, 0 to 6, is in a line graph, and each round is represented by a different color. Okay, I have to pause there. I will be back. I will go ahead and post this amount of it. If you figure out the rest on your own, kudos to you. The only other thing that you'll need to do is go under Customize and give it its chart axis and titles. Your y-axis is up and down. The vertical axis, you're going to name this Pay Per Day. Pay Per Day is your y-axis. X-axis is going to be days, because these were our days. All right, so you can go under the Customize tab and probably figure this part out on your own, but I'll be back. All right, so see ya.